Welcome to Explore, Make Money with NFTs for Beginners. Full course. Make Money with NFTs for Beginners, Full Course. Chapter 10. Investing in NFTs to Flip for a Profit. Flipping is the term used for purchasing an item at a low price and then selling it at a higher price to realize a profit. People have been flipping NFTs for profit over the last few years, and you can learn to do this as well. The NFT market is still quite new and there is not much competition right now. Experts are predicting that there is still a lot of growth possible with the NFT market, and this is good news as it means that there should be flipping opportunities available for a long time. If you do this right, it is possible to make a profit on an NFT flip in just a few days. It is not always about short-term gain, of course. A lot of NFTs will increase in value as they age, and it can be a good idea to hang on to some of your investments for a while so that you can get the best price when selling them. A. 2 important aspects to NFT flipping. There are no guarantees with NFT investing and flipping. Opportunities do exist, but you need to be smart and find them. People are successfully flipping NFTs for profit, so always bear this in mind. When you are looking for flipping opportunities, always look for these 2 things. 1. An undervalued NFT listed. 2. The expectation that the value of the NFT will increase. Don't try and find NFTs to flip in all of the different niches. It is much better to focus on one niche and really get to know all there is to know about it. Your chances of profiting from NFT flips will go way up when you know a lot about the niche. Decide what niche that you want to focus on and learn all you can about it. B. Look for NFT flip opportunities on marketplaces. You are going to find your NFT flip opportunities on the various marketplaces. The very popular NFT marketplaces like OpenSea and Rarible will tend to have NFTs of lower value. Anything goes on OpenSea, and it may be difficult for you to spot opportunities there. If you have chosen a niche like trading cards or sports-related NFTs, then you need to look on other platforms for flipping opportunities. For anything related to the NBA, try their Top Shot platform. Atomic Assets is good for trading card NFTs, and there are specialist marketplaces available for in-game NFTs. Digital art is a good NFT market, and you can find some flipping opportunities on marketplaces such as Known Origin and Nifty Gateway. If you want to flip high-end digital art, then take a look on the Super Rare marketplace to see if any opportunities exist there. The bottom line here is to use the marketplaces that relate to your chosen niche. We are not saying that it is impossible to find good NFT flipping opportunities on Rarible and OpenSea either. They do exist, and you can find them. C. Bulk buying and haggling. Another good couple of techniques to use when you are flipping NFTs is to be prepared to purchase them in bulk for a lower price and haggling with NFT creators to reduce the price of their NFTs. Both of these can work well, especially if the sellers believe that you are an expert in the niche. Make Money with NFTs for Beginners, Full Course. Conclusion. In this full course, you learn everything about an NFT and its concepts as follows. 1. What is NFT? 2. How do NFTs work? 3. The benefits of NFTs. 4. What NFTs and what they are not. 5. How to create your first NFT. 6. Choosing the right NFT marketplace. 7. You must avoid these NFT mistakes. 8. Different ways to promote your NFTs. 9. Promoting NFTs on social media. 10. Investing in NFTs for flipping. The potential of NFTs is huge. They offer a convenient and secure way to store digital assets, which may reduce the risk in comparison with other methods such as traditional storage media or cryptocurrency exchanges that can be hacked at any time. The future of blockchain technology is here today. There has been an awakening. A new type, or rather breeds in style. One that will change how we interact with digital assets forever. Non-fungible tokens (NFTs). These amazing non-fungible tokens (NFTs) represent anything from artwork to property, from digital arts, photography, music, songs, videos, online games, virtual baseball trading cards to virtual property and etc. On the other hand, the NFT not only limited to the artwork itself, but also it can function as a digital certificate of authenticity for the work as smart contract. It is because the NFT allows a creator to name a rightful owner of a file, giving them the rights to present, access or resell it. In the digital art space, this is beneficial technology. Therefore, NFT have so much potential for changing our world right now as they are becoming more popular every day. Do not miss this opportunity. Finally, if you have learned this full course from start to finish, you will know what NFTs are and what they are not, how they work, how to create them and how to promote them. You will know that there are opportunities for investing in other people's NFTs and flipping them for profit. Now it is over to you. While learning this full course will make you a bit smarter, only by taking action will you be able to take full advantage of the NFT opportunity. We have provided you with all of the information that you need to be successful with NFTs, so start taking action right now. We hope that you found this full course to be informative and useful. Get started today with NFTs. We wish you every success with NFTs and the future opportunities that you can derive from them.
Like this video and share. Subscribe this channel for more videos update. View these two videos to enlighten your learning.